Want to know the secret to a more beautiful and inviting home? Today we're going to talk about houseplants and how they can transform your home into a beautiful and purified oasis. Hey there, lovely viewers. I'm Cassandra, interior designer to the stars. Houseplants not only add a touch of natural beauty to any space, but they also provide numerous benefits for both your physical and mental well-being. First and foremost, they are incredible air purifiers. Plants have the remarkable ability to filter harmful poisons from the air, making it cleaner and fresher for you and your family to breathe. One of my favorite air-purifying houseplants is the snake plant, also known as mother-in-law's tongue. This beauty is not only low maintenance, but also highly effective at removing toxins like formaldehyde and benzene from the air. Plus, it releases oxygen at night, making it a perfect bedroom companion. Cassandra's pro tip: consider plant containers as a design element. Pay attention to the containers you use for your houseplants, as they can contribute to the overall aesthetic of your home. Look for stylish pots, baskets, or planters that complement your interior design theme or color scheme. Experiment with different materials, such as ceramic, terracotta, or woven baskets, to add texture and visual appeal. Now let's talk about the benefits of houseplants beyond air purification. They can actually help reduce stress and improve your overall well-being. Having greenery around you has been shown to promote relaxation and create a calming atmosphere. Imagine coming home after a long day and being greeted by a lush, vibrant indoor garden. Succulents, like the popular aloe vera or echeveria, are great choices for creating a zen-like ambiance. They require minimal care, thrive in natural sunlight, and can withstand dry conditions. Plus, aloe vera has incredible healing properties, making it a perfect addition to your kitchen or bathroom. Cassandra's pro tip: create focal points. Use plants strategically to create eye-catching focal points in your home. Place larger plants or groupings of plants in areas that naturally draw attention, such as near windows, in empty corners, or on coffee tables. The lush foliage and vibrant colors will instantly enhance the visual appeal of your space. I have a present for you, my darlings. We partnered with Audible to get you this free book with a 30-day trial. I guarantee you will enjoy it. Get it today. You can thank me later. Aside from the health benefits, houseplants are fantastic for adding style and personality to your home decor. They come in a vast array of shapes, sizes, and textures, allowing you to create visually stunning arrangements that reflect your unique taste. One of my personal favorites is the Boston fern, a classic beauty that thrives in medium to high humidity. Its lush, feathery fronds bring an elegant touch to any space. Hang it near a window or use it as a natural room divider and watch how it transforms the entire room. Now let's talk about practicality. Houseplants can actually help regulate the temperature and humidity in your home. During those hot summer months, plants can cool the air by releasing moisture through a process called transpiration. In the winter, they act as natural humidifiers, preventing dryness and keeping your skin and respiratory system happy. If you're looking for a hardy and versatile plant that can handle different climates, the spider plant is a great choice. With its arching leaves and small plantlets, it adds a touch of elegance to any room. Plus, it thrives in a variety of light conditions, making it perfect for those less sunny corners of your home. Houseplants have the power to transform your home into a stunning sanctuary while enhancing your overall well-being. Whether you're an experienced plant parent or just starting out, there's a perfect houseplant waiting to bring life to your space. So, don't be afraid to get your hands dirty and embark on this green journey. Explore different plants, experiment with unique arrangements, and discover the joy of living with nature indoors. Thank you so much for joining me today. We would love your feedback as to what kind of interior design topics you want me to cover in the future. Leave your comments below. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more design tips coming soon. And don't forget to grab that free Audible book in the description and first comment below. You can thank me later. Until next time, happy planting, and remember, a greener home means a happier you. Cassandra saying goodbye for now.